So I'm just cutting this beautiful soap. This is our avocado and hemp seed that we created. And I think it's turned out really, really nicely. We've got a little bit of soda ash on the top, but it's not too bad at all. And I'm just going to cut it and then just gently press down. I'm really looking forward to this one. This is the one that we had that really, really nice rosemary inside. You can see the outside has been drying for a little while, so it's darker than the inside. That will all go to this darker colour once it has time to dry. And these were our really pretty hemp seeds. And there we go. So that was the avocado and hemp seed soap. I will do another photo of this in a couple of days just so you can see the kind of finished colour, because this greeny colour in the centre will definitely darken and become this richer greeny brown colour on the outside.